almost lie at the front of kitchen, and there she get her food and she is eating like a very hungry dog. And later, after finishing her food, she ran away to her place. And I do some dishwashing. And I am trying to finish it as soon as possible. Then I prepared a oil control face mask. I add 2 tablespoons of besan. Then I add half teaspoon of turmeric, some seeds of tomato and yogurt. As you can see, all these things are so good for your skin. It removes excess oil and dust from your skin. So you should do this weekly. Now you have to mix it very well with the help of spoon, and you can also mix it with the help of your hands. Then I'm going to apply this on my face, and later on I will let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'm going to wash my face. Try this once a week. Then we went to bakery to choose cake for my sister's birthday. Here you can see the variety of cakes, cupcakes and chocolate balls.